It's always important to prepare your tree before any decorations are added. I have selected one of our instant connect trees. Once you fit the section together, they automatically connect and light. No more searching for the cord and outlet to make a connection. Shaping. This step should never be neglected. Always start at the bottom of the tree and shape the branches to their natural position. Reach far into the tree and separate branches. When selecting stems, you need to pick up products that offer line, mass, and filler materials. Choosing a balanced combination of flowers, berries, branches, and leaves is always the correct way to go. A good assortment of ornaments is required to achieve contrast. Ornaments of different colours, shape, size, and texture. Some that are smooth, shiny, matte, round, finial, kismet, large, and small. The final piece of our decor is ribbon. We suggest 2 to 3 varieties that complement each other as well as the ornaments and stems. Selecting decor. How many? It's always difficult to decide how many or how much of each item. We offer this simple tree recipe guide for decorating a tree. It's all based on the height of your tree. Tree decorating recipe. Stems. 5 to 7 stems per foot and at least 3 different varieties. Ornaments. 12 to 18 per foot and at least 6 to 10 different varieties. Ribbon. 6 to 10 yards per foot and 2 to 3 varieties. For a 7-foot tree, you will need approximately 35 to 50 stems, 85 to 130 ornaments, and 40 to 70 yards of ribbon. These are just suggestions and will help you decorate a beautiful tree. But we all know when decorating a magnificent Melrose tree, you may wish to have a little more. Step 1. Stems. I like to start with the stems first. Begin by layering them into the tree. Remember to spread the stems around so that some of each variety is visible all the way around the tree. Step 2. Ornaments. Hang some ornaments deep into the tree as well as on the outer branches. This in and out pattern creates depth, interest, and a sense of professionalism. Round shapes tend to do better deep inside the tree, while finial and elongated styles hang nicely from the tips. Always make sure each ornament hangs straight and free from other branches. Step 3. Ribbon. You may want to start step 3 before you finish step 2. Ribbon can be added at any time and in different ways, a bow, tails, or just streamers to name a few. By placing the bows deep into the tree, you can create additional depth. The ribbon tails flow between the ornament and the stems, tying all of the elements together. Decorating is done. Now the only thing left to do is to enjoy. Happy decorating.